Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy Instagram profile link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile, and here you need to copy your username. That is, copy that your username. Click on copy. Okay, then you need to go back and open any browser and search here instagram.com slash and put your username here and search. Okay, and search your profile. So you can see that I am easily able to search my profile in here. So this is my username. Simply you need to copy that username, and you can share that username anywhere with your friends or anyone on social media. So this is a process by which you can copy Instagram profile link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.